when we stay unbeaten here at the... What is going on here? What the... Yo.
Go on, man. Yeah.
I thought you were a fighter. You're supposed to be a fighter. What, is that how you defend yourself, yeah?
Well, listen, you know what? Today was a total control and display from Arsenal.
Yeah.
And that, again, to give me a sign that Arsenal, we're going to win the league. Listen, I said that in the beginning of the season.
And it didn't happen.
Beating Brighton is the sign to win the league. Is this team the levels? Like, it's a good win, it's a good W. Cool. We won. We got the points. Against a team that offered nothing. They had one chance in 90 minutes. And you're telling me that's the sign that we're going to win the league? Ai, meu Deus. Ai, Nossa Senhora Fátima do Céu. Dá-me força. Dá-me força, por favor. Give me strength. Give me strength.
Happen.
Well, it's going to happen this season.
Oh, please. If you said that, it might mean that we might be a bad luck charm.
Hey.
We got Liverpool next week.
Uncle Belgium is talking to you, so you don't say that. Listen, we're going to go there and fix them up this time.
Liverpool, yeah?
Liverpool.
Yeah?
Listen.
Confident.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Listen, forget about the quick transitions and the high tempo that Liverpool plays. Listen, this season, I've told last time to Robbie, Arteta now has learned how to win games in a smart way, right? Control and make sure that when there's a need to score, we do.
Bruv, Liverpool do have threats. And the way that Arsenal fans are dismissing their threats is absolutely absolute disgrace. Yeah, let's not go on like Salah is still not a good player. Yeah, he can still finish, especially against the type of defense that we have. Salah coming up against Zinchenko. No, thank you. No, thank you. Salah coming up against Zinchenko. My days. That guy's going to get spun. Yeah, let's keep it real.
It's time.
Diaz as well has got the pace to cause problems against Ben White. Let's just keep it real. Let's keep it real. And they've got an energetic midfield. We struggle. Odegaard and Kai Havertz struggle against physical midfields and midfields that have a lot of runners. They make a lot of runs. And if we play a high line, we are going to get opened up. Yeah? We saw with the Man United game against Liverpool how you nullified their attack. We cannot just impose ourselves. We have to pick certain chances. And Man United, certain chances came to Man United. Yeah? Because Rasmus should have scored that chance. Yeah, they didn't have many chances, but they still, even though they weren't even looking to win the game, they still created certain chances hitting Liverpool on the break. But let's not go on like everything's fixed at Arsenal. They still got players that can hurt us. Trent is still a player that can hurt us. Do you know what I'm saying? He's still a player that can hurt us. Liverpool do have players that can hurt us. So let's not go on like everything's fixed. Plus, they got a top goalkeeper. And what do we not have? A top striker that will bury their chances. We had 26 shots against Brighton. We only scored 2 goals. Yeah, 2 goals. At 1-0, Brighton almost get back into the game. It was squeaky bum time. Yeah, those score lines are dangerous against Liverpool team. A Liverpool team that got Gakpo that can come off the bench. And they got other players that can come off the bench and give them more energy in the midfield and stretch us and ask questions of us. So let's just relax. Let's just relax, yeah? Because this Liverpool team, the way Arsenal fans are dismissing them, bruv, this fan base gets way too excited, bro. And then it will be, oh, but nobody expected us to win. Oh, but VAR doesn't want us to win. All the excuses. But when they're coming up against these teams, look at the chest. No one's mentioning VAR now.
Do that.
Yeah.
So we'll go to Liverpool and fix them up there. I'm telling you. People, mark it.
Yeah, no, you're saying it. Okay, how come?
This league is destined for Arsenal. Trust me, man.
This league is destined for Arsenal. This guy, bro. You're like 60 plus, uncle. You know what I mean? You look like you regularly go to bingo, bro. You know what I mean? You look like one of them bingo players, one of them guys that go to the bookies, bro. You know what I'm saying? Try to put a little bet on a horse. And man's talking about, oh, nah, it's destined. Bruv, this is a bookies man here. This is a bookies uncle. What are you talking about, bro? Them bookies that smell of, bruv, it smells of BO and bad breath from 20 days ago. What are you talking about? How is it destined? It's destined. We got a manager that doesn't know how to win the league. We got a bench that's not fixed. We're clearly not looking to address getting a clinical goal scorer. We got a midfield that's not very creative because I've gone through the stats. Our most creative midfielders have got 2 assists. Our most creative left back has got 1 assist. Like, what are we talking about? It ain't, bro. Oh my days. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. Like, we're as creative as Brighton. And these men are saying it's destined. These man, bro, I swear down.
It's for Arsenal.
A lot of other fans, other clubs will probably say that.
Forget about those fans, man. Talk about Arsenal. Listen, the top team here. And again, to today, when people saying, oh, Brighton, but we made them to look ordinary team. I was watching them on Thursday against Marseille, talking about Nketiah, because a lot of people, at one point I heard, oh, people need a striker, people need this. Well, look at the pass, and well, obviously we've talked about it. Look at the pass. That was a difficult one. That was being brave. He told him, listen, we got Saka there.
How is it brave for Nketiah to play Havertz through? How is it brave? Bro, you're going on like he's going to war. So feel that, puta, chill out, bro. Chill out. What do you mean it's brave? The clearest option was for Nketiah to play Havertz through. There was no one there, which is why when he played the through ball, Havertz was straight through on goal. Havertz didn't even need to beat a defender. There was no one there. There was no one there, bro. Ghostbusters. Casper the Ghost was in defense for Brighton when he played Havertz through. We talking about that it was brave. Stop with the theatrics, bro. This ain't Lion King in the theaters. Why are you over-exaggerating it? It was a good ball, cool. Just say it was good. It was a good through ball, cool. Is he going to do it consistently enough for me to win a major honor? Yes or no? Yes or no? That's what I'm talking about. Always over the top with this fan base, man. Everything is always so amazing, so amazing, But relax. It was a great football to have us. Now do it consistently, because Nketiah is one of the most inconsistent players we have in this squad. What are you chatting about?
Which would have been good option, easy option. Easy option.
This guy, bro.
But he decided to, give it to Kai Havertz. And what happened in the end? Bye. So listen, the team, and again, to the good news is that we got Thomas Partey coming back. It's just to say that, listen, we've got good options now compared to last season, where when you look at the bench, it was a little bit dry. So come on, Arsenal. We're going up there. Liverpool, watch out, we're coming up for you.
Continue when we stay unbeaten.
We've got good options off the bench. Let's go through the bench then. Let's go through the bench. This bench that was fixed, this bench that now all of a sudden is miraculously the same as last season, but is fixed. It's fixed. Okay, cool. Let's go through this bench. Let's go through the bench. You know what I mean? So I'll just get everything technically right. Right. This bench that's fixed, this bench is amazing right now. Espetacular. Espetacular. Never ever seen bench assim na minha vida. Yeah? Incrível. Incrível. We've got on the bench Eddie Nketiah that we had on the bench last season, and we didn't win the league. But it's fixed. Emil Smith-Rowe, that a lot of super Arsenal fans, we need to get rid of him. We need to cash in on him because we have to get money for Ivan Toney. He's the part of the fixed bench that's not performing this season once again. Yeah? Once again, on the medical table, more than patients. Bro, what are you talking about? This guy, bro, Emil Smith-Rowe needs to do adverts for Bupa and NHS because that guy definitely can't do no advert for football because we never see you play football. But apparently it's fixed. Ramsdale, that all these Phillies puta now, the blonde Ed Sheeran, now all of a sudden it's fixed with Ramsdale. Cool. The guy that said he can't concentrate. Man can't focus. Can't focus. Yeah? Man wants to sing with the crowd. Bro, you're in Asia. This isn't karaoke night, bro. This isn't karaoke night. We need you to save shots, not start singing tunes with the fans, bro. This isn't Simon Cowell, X Factor. You know what I'm saying? This isn't X Factor. No one's going to say, oh, look at the singing. Oh, Aaron, that was absolutely sublime. Garibalo, absolutely sublime. No one cares, bro. Play football, filho da puta. But the bench is fixed with Aaron Ramsdale because he sings tunes and goals. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah? We got Kivior. Yeah? Can't defend. Should have been sent off against Luton. Guy is rash. Defensively inept. Yeah? But it's fixed with Kivior. That was benched last season for Rob Holding. It's fixed with Kivior. All of a sudden, because his head looks like Morty, you know what I mean? All of a sudden, fixed. What the hell are we talking about? Cedric, that we tried to flog. He's another one that's on the bench. We tried to flog him for £25 million. What player do you rate that's worth £25 million? I'll wait. Filho da puta. Yeah, we tried to get rid of him to Fulham for £25 million. Man are telling me that, oh, Cedric on the bench is fixed. Yeah? Trossard, this guy, I don't know what he needs, bro. This guy here needs to be, bro, I don't know what, bro. Get him on the drip for prime bottles or something, bro, because this guy needs an injection of life. Every time I'm seeing this filo da puta, bro, he looks like, I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know what is going on. Uncle Fester with the hairline, bags under your eyes, more bags than Tesco's under your eyes. What is going on? Wake up, filo da puta. This season has not been good enough for you. Not been good enough. And Martinelli ain't even been sourcing. Don't even, bro, what are we talking about? Then we got some guy called Miles Lewis. Does anyone know him? What is he? The next Patino? What is he? The next Aziz? Does anyone know about Miles Lewis? Yeah? What about Ruel Walters? That's our bench. That is the bench. That is fixed. That is the bench. Listen, I'm just being toxic and negative. The bench is fixed. Yeah? Silly me, bro.
And wonderful.